everyone, it's me Gabby, the law clerk here at Cascade Law Group. I have some more updates for you regarding the new deadlines for the Corporate Transparency Act, which I've been frequently referring to as the CTA. In our past two videos, I was able to discuss the summary of cases that has been changing the deadline that has been moving throughout our country's judiciary. And in the second video, I discussed how Congress's decisions on legislation have been impacting the CTA in general as well. Now, for this third video, I will be focusing on FinCEN's newly published notice that was published on February 18th, 2025. In this notice from FinCEN, there was a confirmation that the BOIR filings are once again legally required. Particularly, this notice required that the vast majority of reporting companies, the new deadline to file an initial updated and or corrected BOIR is now through March 21st, 2025. And in addition to that, reporting companies that were previously given a reporting deadline later than March 21st, 2025, deadline must still file their BOI report, however, by that later deadline. These are companies like the ones that have been subjected to disasters like tornadoes, hurricanes, and wildfires, as we know was prevalent throughout the beginning of this year. The March 21st, 2025 deadline applies to all entities formed prior to January 1st, 2024. Entities created in 2024 and 2025 and entities needing to file updated and or corrected BOIR reports are also required to follow this deadline as well. However, entities that have a later deadline under a different provision of the reporting rule or a previous update, including, for example, entities created within 30 days before March 21st, 2025, and entities subject to disaster relief extensions, will keep the later deadline. Newly formed entities have 30 days from the date of formation to file a BOIR, and all entities have 30 days to update existing BOIRs from the date that the change in reporting of the information occurs. FinCEN indicates in the notice that they publish that they will provide an update regarding any further modification to the March 21st, 2025 deadline prior to the passing of that date. This is a rapidly evolving situation, and we will continue to update you and alert you if more and when more information becomes available. FinCEN has also announced that it will assess its options to further modify deadlines while prioritizing reporting for those entities that pose the most significant national security risks. Again, FinCEN intends to initiate a process this year to revise the BOIR rule to reduce the burden for lower risk entities, including many small businesses in the U.S. We know that this is very confusing, and we hope our summaries have been helpful for you.